Too wild outside for much wildlife. Welcome in for day 2 here. Still working on rows, anything goes here. And laying this out, it's gone pretty good. So it's a hot tamale day, you better believe it. But that's got a downside to it too. I'm not going to have a lot of supervisors on the job today. Let's get to work. Well past the halfway point now. Ooh, I can't wait till this is done. My neck is killing me. I've got lots of supervisors on the job here, but I'm more than halfway down now. It's going to take some time to tuck in all the edges and things, but I think you guys get the story here. With this, it is about as tedious a job as you would ever want to find, but I think that'll make it worth it. Let's keep rolling. Now we might have a 211 in progress. This girl's trying to rattle these bars over here. I don't know what she's doing. Go, baby, go. Maybe she works there. Maybe that's her Cadillac. Who knows? I guess she's done. I guess she's official. Still rolling. Still rolling. You guys gonna be like, oh, this is boring, right? You guys are gonna be like, this is boring, I know. I'd like to stand out here for 12 hours and do this. All right, I must have my head exam. But remember, I'm the person who chucked corn for 5 weeks, 13 bushels a day. So I know what it is to humble yourself. So still rolling. This lady's just keeps popping her top, screaming, and I don't know what's going on. Wow. At least it's so hot that not many people are really on the street. We're in the home stretch. Back to the big box store. We're wrapping up on day number 2. What the hell that is. But I need to get a little black spray paint. That'll finish off the inside. Tomorrow we'll be putting up letters. It just got too hot outside. So I'm on another supply run to get a little bit of black spray paint. I can hardly talk. I know today looks like, to you guys, looks like a colossal fail, but good Lord, there's like 200 of those little slots across there. Jeez. I mean, trying to keep the material down and then going down to the next slot. You guys don't care about that, but it's been a sun-baked 109 today. So hopefully we'll be wrapping this project up tomorrow, and then Sunday is a day to rest, and then it'll be on to our next project. I don't know what this guy's doing in front of me. Are we going left? Are we going right? What's my call? I don't know what I'm doing. We're gonna go left, or we're gonna go right. So, oh, Lowe's knows, but they don't know a lot in there. So this is gonna wrap up day 2. I would say, I got some nice flat black paint to kind of finish everything off, which will be good. It'll give a nice uniform. Some little boo-boos with some of the glue on there. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to wrapping this up and staying on my feet for 2 days. Has really been a blip, so it is what it is, guys, though. So not a lot to show you today, but big thanks to everybody that's been supportive. You guys have been wonderful here, and tomorrow I hope to finish it up and move on. So thank you very much. If you're not subscribed, I don't know what you'd see that want to make you subscribe. Subscribe today, except one sun-baked old fool out here doing it up. So thank you very much, guys. Thumbs up are very appreciated, and enjoy the rest of your day.